this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish is called the big plate chicken. This is a very popular chicken in China. It's translated called 大盘鸡. And actually this dish is it's original from the Xinjiang Province, and it's very popular there. And the people there love to cook the chicken this way. And so today I will make this dish. And the main ingredient we need is chicken. The chicken is any kind of chicken, chicken leg, chicken wing, or just the chicken breast, either is okay. With bone, without bone, either is okay. And we have the 1 pound of potatoes, 2 red pepper. You can add also some green pepper to it, and 4 tomatoes, and 4 onions, and carrots. If you don't have carrots, you can use the rutabaga to replace the carrots, and scallion, ginger, chili pepper. You can add a chili powder to it, either is okay, and one garlic. Those are the main ingredients we need to cook this dish. We cut some potatoes. The potatoes are very fresh. They're from all the plant farm, and so we just leave the skin on. If you don't want skin, you can kill the skin. So we cut it like this, and tan the potato. So don't cut too big or too small like this. This big is enough. So then you tan your potato. Let's put the potato in the cold tap water to soak. So this tomato we cut a little bagel, and we just cut some part off. We let the skin on. You can cut the skin off, peel the skin off. It's up to you. We just cut some part off. Yeah, we use this to replace the carrots. If you have carrots, you can use carrots too. This original dish use the carrots, the red carrots. So I use a rutabaga to replace the carrots. So we cut it like we cut the potatoes. It's 10. We cut it not too big, not too small. This is that. We cut some onion. The onion we have probably 4 onion. Close up to 1 pound onion. And then I cut it like this. So the onion will be like this. So those are the onion we can take. We cut the red pepper. The pepper we already washed it. We cut it like this. Cut it, roll the pepper like. In case the inside seeds, and this green part away. So tomato is done. Add garlic. Cut this part off. Ginger. I need 1 teaspoon of ginger. We're going to cut it with just get into the sky and cut it. Chicken side, you can use a chicken wing or chicken legs, close probably 1 to 2 pounds. So any chicken is okay, just 1 to 2 pound chicken with bone, without bone either is okay. We drain the blood, this blood is a liquid from this packet. We drain the blood and we also use cold tap water to wash the chicken. And we use paper towel to dry the chicken and we cut it. This chicken we cut a big piece, we don't cut a small piece. We cut this big. So this big chunk piece, a chunk. The bone, this one side, the chicken side and bone. We don't cut the bone, we just but we cook the bone with the meat together to give a strong flavor. You keep the skin or you just pull the skin through away. Either is okay. Add 6 cups of water, 6 cups of water to the pot, and turn on the stove. High fire, and place on the cover until the water is boiling. So the water is boiling, and we add the chicken into the hot water. And cook this chicken for a few minutes. We cook it for a few minutes. It starts small boiling. Then we turn off the stove and drain the water for the next steps. The drained water chicken, we use the cold tap water to rinse it to let chicken cool down. To get the foam and some dirty stuff off the chicken. Use the cold tap water rinse it. Okay. It is clear. So we put the meat to drain the meat in the sink, and for the next steps cooking. Okay, we turn the stove and a medium fire. When pot is hot, we add the vegetable oil. We add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to the pot. Nice and hot. We add a little bit. The oil is ready. We fry the scallion, ginger, and garlic and chili pepper. Fry the ginger, garlic, scallion, and chili pepper. When the garlic and the ginger smell release out, we put the chicken into. Be careful, don't burn. Okay, add the chicken to the. We fry the chicken. This is Sichuan chili sauce, and add 1 teaspoon Sichuan chili sauce to it. Don't add too much. 1 teaspoon. Not too much. And we'll start anything to it and fry it. This is Sichuan red chili peppercorn. Add I think a half teaspoon of it to it. Then fry it. This is salt. We add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. If it's not enough, later we can add more. 1 teaspoon of salt. This is soy sauce. We add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to it. Add a tomato to it. This is the rutabaga. Add a rutabaga to it. We added the drained water potato to it. Add a cold tap of water to it. Usually they add the beer to it. I don't add a beer. Add the cold tap of water. You can add chicken broth or beef broth. Don't add too much. Just like make sure the most of the potato is covered by the water. You don't need to add too much. Okay, mix it. Now we cover it and let it slowly to cook it. Okay, while the meat is cooking, we add I think the 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. You can add this is the sugar substitute brown sugar for the diabetic. You can add plain sugar, rocky sugar, or brown sugar. Either is okay. Just add 1 teaspoon to it. Then stir it. It should just give a strong, good flavor. You can add any sugar to it. Just add 1 teaspoon. Don't add too much. Then cover it. Let it keep cooking. We check the potato and the rutabaga to check it to become soft or not. Oh, the potato is soft and the rutabaga also. We poke it, it also can go through, it's cooked. So now we add the onion and the pepper to it. Add the onion and pepper to it. So try the flavor. The flavor is good. We cover the lid, cook it. Whereas the veggies cooking, and we make a liquid starch. We add 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Any starch is okay. You use corn starch. Any starch is okay. And they add a quarter cup of cold tap water to it. Now we make a liquid starch for later use. Okay, it's done. So I put it here for later use. We check the onion and pepper. It's cooked. I can see it, and the meat, the chicken. I can try to see chicken is cooked or not. It's good. It's cooked. Now we turn the fire to the high fire. And slowly add the starch into the pot. Want to add it, and don't forget to stir it. Add the rest of it. The onion and the pepper don't need to cook very long. So this dish is done. We turn off the stove. We add this dish and to a big plate. I don't have a big plate, so I will put it in a big baking pan. So this big plate of chicken is done. It's Xinjiang It's done. I hope you guys like it. This dish you can eat with the rice, or usually they will have some pulled noodle, homemade noodles. They boil. After you eat the meat and the veggies, then you add the noodle to this sauce and mix and eat it. So that's very popular in Xinjiang area. They also, in other part of China, when they cook it, they also add noodles to it.